Hello, I'm Demiake Mwakaliele.
And I'm Vincent McCorry. This is In Focus.
Well, 1 year ago, more than 150 people were killed and dozens of women raped during an opposition demonstration against military rule in Guinea.
As the country moves slowly towards civilian rule, VOA West Africa correspondent Scott Stearns reports on the aftermath of last September's violence.
So far, no one has been held accountable for that violence, contributing to what Human Rights Watch calls a culture of impunity in Guinea. Corinne Dufka is the West Africa Director for Human Rights Watch. Corinne, what needs to happen to bring justice for the victims of September 28th?
Well, those implicated in planning and perpetrating that very serious atrocity must be properly investigated and tried. You're absolutely right to characterize the culture of impunity. For decades, the security forces and others have committed very serious atrocity against the Guinean people, and they are rarely, if ever, held accountable. So what happened in 2009 is part of a pattern of very serious atrocities and then the perpetrators going scot-free.
As the country continues to move toward elections to return Guinea to civilian rule, what needs to happen to make sure that the new judiciary in this new civilian government is more accountable to the people of Guinea?
You know, you've rightly characterized the problem in Guinea as a crisis of impunity. The military and others have for years gotten away scot-free with the most serious of human rights abuses and economic crimes. The new government must prioritize improving the Guinean judiciary. At the same time, there has to be a coordinated effort to reform the security sector, which has been responsible for most of the abuses that have committed against the Guinean people. It needs to be a top priority for not only the Guinean government, but the international community and Guinea's economic partners.
This transitional government continues to struggle with a date for the second round of presidential elections. October 10th is the latest proposed date. It may very well be later in the month. Back to you in Washington.